today's video we have 2 activity ideas themed around autumn leaf identification, and this is perfect for the Autumn Leaves Week of Exploring Nature with Children curriculum, if you're following that. The first activity is creating leaf ribbons, like this, and the second activity we'll use these, which are the Autumn Flower Fairy postcard by Cicely Barker. The first leaf we're going to get a leaf ribbon tracing of is our hazel leaf, and what we want to do is make sure that it's flipped this way around with the veins up, and this gives us our nice pattern. We're going to grab our piece of paper or card and place it flat on top. We're going to grab our crayon. I'm going to press as hard as we can, trying to get the pattern from the leaf onto the paper. As you can see, these beautiful veins are showing through there. You want to make sure you keep tracing around the border, just so that you don't miss any details. Now that this is done, you can see them side by side. You can see we still have the general shape and the little point at the top. So I'm just going to write on here, hazel. And this card is ready. The next leaf that we're going to get a pattern of is our hawthorn leaf. And again, make sure we turn it upside down with the veins at the top. I'm going to place our paper or card down and grab a colour. I'm going to go for brown this time. And remember, starting from the stem, we're going to try and trace as much of the pattern as we possibly can. Now we can see them side by side. And look how gorgeous that is. I'm just going to write on it hawthorn. With the hawthorn. And the last leaf that we're going to get our leaf ribbon off is an oak leaf. So again, upside down with the veins pointing up. And I'm going to use orange this time. Pop the paper on. Now we have our oak leaf, and these are them side by side. I'm just going to try oak. And once you've made your leaf ribbons, you can play a little test game. So all you need are your leaf ribbons, your leaves, and if you have the fairy cards, you can use these too. But if you don't, you can do it just with these. And all we're going to do is try and match the leaf to the card, and the name and the leaf ribbon to the card. So these are our hazel ones. And then next, this is the leaf that matches this one. And as we can see, it's hawthorn. And then obviously lastly, we have our oak leaf. The best part about this game is that you can play it either alone or with a friend to make it extra competitive. And the more you play it, the better at leaf identification you'll be.